My name is Ethan Hunt. I go to Rocky Mountain High School. I'm going to CWI next year, and I am West Ada ready. When I learned about the welding program that Meridian offered, then I was like, oh, that's awesome. You kind of get into your own little zone when you're actually welding, and then you get a look at your whatever you've made and created and bind it together and get the final result, and it's kind of like, wow, like I made that. I went on a program called Plasma Cam to design something to be cut out of sheet metal through a plasma torch. And so I did my last name. I picked out 2 teachers that were my most favorite and helped me the most, not only in life, but throughout school as well. And because Mr. Hirano, the principal, I know a lot of people love him. I did his, I polished it and painted it as well, with his specifically, as kind of an appreciation and a leaving gift. That was definitely one of my favorite memories because it's kind of something a little more special. She's never been, I hope, she's always been, I'm going to. So she's never, sat there going, well, I hope this happens or I hope this changes. She's always been like, I'm gonna make it happen, or I'm gonna make this change. And she's one of the strongest people I know. I would consider myself pretty ambitious, pretty driven. If I'm really set on something, then I can most likely, 99% of the time make it happen.